Pittsburgh chance. This penalty killing continues to grow with confidence and execution.
Christian Ehrhoff off the pad of Cam Ward. Craig Adams stopped by Ward. For the Hurricanes, held up by Sutter. In support, Letang, and now Kunitz brings a man. It's Brandon Sutter. Away go the Penguins. Sutter with a shot swallowed by Cam Ward. No further play. Cycle in deep. The play read by Andrej Sekera. And it looks like the Hurricanes will get it out.
On his toes is Andrej Sekera. Good read and execution there.
Elias Lindholm sets up Eric Stahl. His shot, he scores! Fleury was lost on that one. Eric Stahl with his second goal in as many games, and the Hurricanes are off and running.
The eventual goal scorer right here. Hurricanes have just been able to complete a line change. Pittsburgh was in the midst of 1-2, and what a look from Lindholm.
Defended by Ron Hainsey. Ebbett moves it along again. Hainsey is there for Carolina. 23 seconds left in the period. Kunitz scores! Chris Kunitz with a bullet shot by Cam Ward. We're tied at 1.
From the face-off, excellent job there, gaining possession. I believe it's Bo Bennett that does it. Yes, it is. Bo Bennett wins that draw and hounds the puck. No-look pass. And Chris Kunitz with Justin Falk as a bit of a traffic piece beats Cam Ward on the short side.
Plenty of room through the middle. Falk on the attack. At his side, McClement. McClement, a backhander off the pad of Fleury. Big rebound again, but it's transitioned by Ebbett. This way, Jason Megna. He'll stop. Pop. Put off by Ward. He's run into Ebbett in control. Done in the last 25, shorthanded. They've been Sterling. Spaulding. Brandon Sutter with a shot off the pad of Ward. Leap through. Dupre bottled up by Kirby. Carolina will punch it out. Gets after it. Sets up Stahl. Stahl will settle it down to the outside. Sweep check by Pouliot. Stolen by Lindholm. His shot deflects. There's Toulouse. What a save! Marc-Andre Fleury on Yuri Toulouse. What looks like an empty net. Skinner, Riley Nash, Elias Lindholm up front. Falk, Lindholm. To the outside it goes for Nash. He'll set it up. Nash in control. Back to the point. Falk walking the line. Looking for a lane. His shot off the goalpost. Center ice. Carolina turns it back. Chris Terry walks in, lays it across. Fleury comes up big. What a save as Chris Terry set up Jay McClement.
We're in the neutral zone with that good stick from the Carolina defense. And now you always use the benchmark, at least I do, is you want to make the pass at the tops of the circles.
Reversed by the Penguin defense and Letang. Played here by Craig Adams. A handoff to Ehrhoff. A steal Nash. Out in front. Lindholm. What a save! Fleury again on Elias Lindholm. Sutter with Bo Bennett. Here they come. Sutter holding on to it. The late guy, Letang. Ward stacks the pads. Now Sutter to the outside. Lays it back to Christian Ehrhoff. His shot stopped by Ward. The rebound. Another chance. A block. A dandy of a block by Belmore. Hainsey. Off for Nash. Riley Nash. Indirect pass for Terry. Across it goes. Dwyer's in. Fleury makes the save. Scrambles back. Brandon Sutter holding on to it. They grind a cycle. Brandon Sutter to the point. Dupre. Arister tipped. Knocked down. There's Kunitz. Now Sutter. His shot. He scores! Brandon Sutter with 1:42 left.
Coming a shift or two before, and they had trouble getting to the inside. But Bo Bennett really does a job on both goals. He's able to corral this puck. And Sutter, who had reloaded up top.
4 seconds left. Stahl spins it off the body. Crosby has it. It's over.